Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 6 July 2026. Sweet Baba says, sweet children, become detached from your bodies while alive. Become bodiless and remember the Father. This is known as dead silence. Question: on what basis do you children make your foundation strong? Answer: on the basis of purity. The purer you souls become, that is, the more you become real gold, the stronger you will become. Baba is now laying such a strong foundation of self-sovereignty that no one can shake that foundation for half a cycle. No one can snatch away your kingdom. Song is Salutations to Shiva. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to claim self-sovereignty, now make your foundation of purity strong. Just as the Father is the purifier, so become as pure as the Father. Second is, stabilize yourself in your original religion of peace. Renounce body consciousness as much as possible and remain soul conscious. Practice remaining in dead silence, that is, practice becoming bodiless. Blessing for today. May you become an embodiment of success by serving yourself as well as serving others. Details are: in order to become an embodiment of success as well as serving others, also serve yourself. Whenever you go to do service, always think that, together with doing that service, you are also finally cremating your old sanskars. The more you cremate your sanskars, the more respect you will receive. All souls will salute you in their minds. However, you must not make them into those who simply salute you externally, but make them into those who salute you in their minds. Slogan is, keep the aim of doing unlimited service and all of your limited bondages will break. Avyakt signal. Stay in the volcanic stage and experience powerful remembrance. For as long as your remembrance does not become volcanic, the flames of destruction will also not take their complete volcanic form. They flare up and then cool down because souls, who have the volcanic form, and images of support have not become that volcanic form for all time. Now, have the determined thought to become the volcanic form, and use the concentration of your mind and intellect in a collective way to spread the vibrations of powerful yoga everywhere. Om Shanti.